Hey, everyone! Thanks for tuning in to our channel. We're so excited to share our content with you. Please check my description. So without any further detention, let's jump into the video.
Number 1. Elite Gourmet EWM 15M Electric Nonstick Mini Waffle Maker. About this item: 5 non-stick cooking plates, easy to clean dual 5 inches cooking plates for making crispy 1-inch thick waffles in just 5 minutes. Waffles and more. Prepare tasty dessert or savory waffles by adding a variety of ingredients. Also great for making sandwiches, cookies, cakes or snack pockets. Ease of use: plug in, wait for ready indicator light. Grease cooking plates, pour batter, close lid, wait 3 minutes and waffles are ready. Includes 9 delicious recipes. Compact and cute design, built for small space. Takes up barely any counter space. Stands upright for storage, taking up minimal cabinet space. Perfect for dorm rooms, camping and all-sized kitchens. Easy to clean. The deluxe non-stick plates simply wipe clean with a damp cloth when cooled. No oil or butter needed, makes for healthier eating, and provides for hassle-free 1-2-3 cleanup. Number 2. Ovente Electric Sandwich Maker. About this item: quick and convenient, fast heating element provides even heating and toasting, and indicator lights let you know when it's on and ready for cooking. Hassle-free cleaning. Non-stick coating makes this grill easy to clean. Versatile: this sandwich maker can also make sunny side-up eggs, omelets or French toast. Maximum safety: made of heat-resistant stainless steel with anti-skid feet to prevent accidents. US-based customer service lets you buy with confidence. Ovente warranties that the product shall be free from defects in material and workmanship under normal use and conditions, for 1 year from the original purchase date. Fast heating element: provides even heating and toasting. This sandwich maker can also make sunny side-up eggs, omelets or French toast. Number 3. Dash Mini Maker for Individual Waffles. About this item: more than waffles, make your favorite breakfast classics or get creative with waffled hash browns, cookies and even biscuit pizzas. Any batter will waffle into single-serving portions. Great for families or on the go. Mini is mighty, with a 4 non-stick cooking surface. This is a must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm, or camper, RV, and stores easily in a kitchen cabinet or drawer. Waffly easy, simply plug it in and go. The waffle maker heats up in minutes. Dual non-stick surfaces provide an even cook for consistent results and delicious golden waffles every time. Non-stick surfaces make cleanup a snap. Perfect gift. The perfect wedding or new home gift. The waffle maker's small size takes up little counter space, and its sleek design and trendy color options will match any kitchen decor. Includes: the Dash Mini Waffle Maker includes 1 mini waffle maker and recipe guide so you can get cooking right away. Number 4. Oster Belgian Waffle Maker. About this item: Belgian waffle maker creates large, round waffles with deep pockets that hold plenty of toppings and syrup. Waffle maker features an 8 inches non-stick plate that releases waffles easily and cleans quickly. Adjustable temperature control lets you customize heat while cooking, for different types of finishes and batters. Stainless steel housing offers added durability. Cord length 27.5 inches. Watts 1080W. Safe to touch handle provides a firm grip and helps prevent burns. Oster Belgian Waffle Maker. 8-inch round, stainless steel. There are waffles, and then there are Belgian waffles. Indulge in the experience of fresh, homemade Belgian waffles with deep pockets full of tasty toppings and syrup. This Oster Belgian Waffle Maker features an 8 inches plate that makes 1 large, perfectly cooked waffle in minutes. Number 5. Mueller Heart Waffle Maker. About this item: express golden waffles, craving perfectly browned waffles. Now you can make 5 mini waffles in mere minutes with Mueller's Waffle Whiz 1000W Waffle Maker. No more boring circles or squares. Our iconic heart-shaped waffle maker lets you spread the love with melt-in-your-mouth waffles every time. Adjust for your taste buds. Use the browning control lever to adjust the doneness of your waffles, whether you prefer light, fluffy, or crispy. Simple to operate, with indicator light so you know exactly when the waffle iron is ready to use. No more guessing, it's easier than ever. Mess-free. Not only will your waffles cook quickly and evenly, but the waffle maker non-stick cooking plates will leave no batter stuck behind. Plus, there'll be no spills with the wraparound channel that captures any excess batter. Just lift the cool touch handle and pour your batter in. Small and mighty, with an 8 inches cooking diameter, you can choose between a large golden waffle or 5 mini hearts. The small waffle maker is compact and easily stored in an upright position with undercord storage. Just whip it out whenever cravings strike. Superior quality with Mueller. We are here to offer you only the best quality products designed to make your life easier. If you need any help, please feel free to contact us. Our unparalleled 24/7 live telephone customer support is ready and waiting to assist with anything you need. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.